When biometrics fail, they fail forever.
You can't change your face. You can't reset your touch. An identity blackout. The erasure of the self.
In the eyes of the system, you are an imposter.
Access is a privilege, and you've lost it.
Ghost person. Living in a world that doesn't know you. A catch-22. You can't verify what has been stolen. No cash. No credit. No identity. Invisible in a crowd of authenticated souls. Your own voice betrays you. The loss of global mobility. Every door is locked. Forever. The human impact. The trauma of the bypass. Machines don't feel. They only calculate. The end of the convenience era.
The headlines are catching up to the reality. The betrayal of the biological promise.
What am I without my data? The infrastructure of identity is broken.
The vision was flawed from the start. A storm of compromised lives.
No way out of the blackout.
Looking for a face that is no longer yours. Your portfolio is someone else's now. Wealth without identity is worthless. The world sleeps while the ghosts trade.
Searching for owner.
The search will never end. Erasing the evidence of your existence. Confronting the digital wall.
Locked out of the future. The departure of the self.
Is there anyone left?
Initializing recovery. Is it possible to return? A heartbeat in the void.
Reaching for the shield.
The biological recovery. Reconstructing the identity.
The new path.
The truce.
Restoring the grid. The shield is active.
Securing the assets.
Authenticity verified.
The real you is back.
Wealth reclaimed. Phase 5. The multimodal shield.